Once a hungry fox went about in search of food and reached a garden. He stopped near one of the trees that bore beautiful ripe grapes which were hanging in bunches. His mouth watered. He thought that he would eat the ripe grapes to satisfy his hunger. So he tried to catch hold of the grapes. He jumped as high as possible to hold at least one of the bunches, which was not so high, but still it was beyond his reach. When his repeated efforts failed to get even a single grape, he was upset. So he consoled himself by thinking that these grapes must be sour, which he should not taste. He was utterly disappointed at the moment. He said, "Oh, they are not even ripe yet. I don't need any sour grapes. I would not eat them even if they served to me as a golden dish. Sour grapes may make my throat sour." Saying this, he went away hungry but pleased with himself, as it is said, "It is easy to despair what you cannot have, and it is better to leave the garden and look for forward somewhere else." So the fox went away. It is a great saying that it is easy to despair what you cannot have.